The Cane Corso is a Mastiff-type breed that originated in Italy, having descended from Roman war dogs. After the Roman Empire fell, the Cane Corso worked as a farmhand, flock guardian, property guardian, family guardian and hunting dog, particularly of big and dangerous game like wild boar. Female Cane Corso is recommended for the pet owners who have no experience with the breed, as females are easy to train and hard-working. They attach to their owners easily and are less dominant. While male Cane Corso is recommended for experienced owners because they are hard to train and has a dominating nature. Cane Corsos are very independent, and if not trained properly they will assert themselves as being dominant and can cause many issues to the owners or wild and domesticated animals. The ideal Corso is docile and affectionate toward his family, including children. To get him to that point requires socialization and training from an early age. This dog will not do well in a home with anyone who is afraid of or dislikes dogs or is unable to manage a large dog. The Corso is highly intelligent. Pamper Your Pets blames widespread bans on the Cane Corso, also known as the Italian Mastiff, on the dog's imposing figure and large size. To be fair, these dogs need owners with dog training experience. Plus, they aren't the best fit for a family with young children. The ideal Corso is docile and affectionate toward his family, including children. To get him to that point requires socialization and training from an early age. This dog will not do well in a home with anyone who is afraid of or dislikes dogs or is unable to manage a large dog. Do Cane Corsi have the ability to lock their jaws? No. There are no physical mechanisms in a Cane Corso's jaw to allow the jaws to lock together in place. If they are provoked, threatened, attacked, or sense danger when acting as guard dogs, they can, however, bite down with an incredible force of 700 pounds per square inch. The Cane Corso is actually a very old breed which came from the Molossus-type Mastiff dogs of ancient Rome. But no, they are not in the Pit Bull family, which are dogs that come from crosses of various terriers and bulldogs. They are in the Mastiff group of breeds. Cane Corsos benefit from routine bathing and grooming. This powerful dog can be bathed weekly up to every 6 to 8 weeks depending on his lifestyle. The Cane Corso has a short coat, but it is not a single-coated breed. The undercoat will shed throughout the year. Young Cane Corso puppies are relatively easy to train. They are eager to please, intelligent and calm-natured, with a relatively good attention span. While you may want the help of an experienced trainer to teach you how to train your dog, you yourself must actually train your Cane Corso. At nearly 28 inches at the shoulder and often weighing more than 100 pounds, with a large head, alert expression, and muscles rippling beneath their short, stiff coat, Corsi are at a glance intimidating creatures. Their imposing appearance is their first line of defense against intruders. Thank you for watching. Share to your loved ones.